Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to insert microSD card into your TP-Link Tapo C110. Let's get started. So, we would need only our microSD card and also our camera to proceed. So, we would need to take a look on this right side of your camera. Here you'd be able to see this microSD slot, and now we would need to take our card and slowly put it into this slot until it will stop. So, just like this, and as you can see, if I will lightly push on it, it will not go any deeper. To push it in, we would need to take our nail and push it with a little off power until you will hear a click. So, if we will click one more time to get the card out, it will go to the same position as before. You can see it. So, take your nail and push the card into the camera. And this is it. Now you know how to insert the microSD card into your TP-Link Tapo C110. And that was it for today. Thank you for watching.